detailed breakdowns of the hottest bikes on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at a modern cruiser that's built for comfort, performance, and everyday usability. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Known for its versatile nature and accessible design, the Vulcan S has remained a fan favorite for new and seasoned riders alike. In 2025, Kawasaki has refined the formula while retaining the features that make this bike so approachable and enjoyable. Let's get into all the details that make the 2025 Vulcan S a standout in the midweight cruiser segment. A cruiser built for all riders. The Kawasaki Vulcan S has always been a unique offering in the cruiser world. Unlike traditional heavy cruisers, the Vulcan S is lightweight, nimble, and built with ergonomics in mind. Its distinctive combination of sporty dynamics, comfortable riding posture, and approachable power delivery makes it ideal for riders of all skill levels. For 2025, Kawasaki has kept the core identity intact while adding meaningful enhancements to design, performance, and technology. Design and styling, sporty meets. Classic. One of the most eye-catching features of the 2025 Vulcan S is its modern cruiser styling. Unlike bulkier cruisers that emphasize a retro look, the Vulcan S leans toward a contemporary aesthetic with flowing lines, a minimalist tail section, and a compact headlight cowl. For this year, Kawasaki has introduced new color schemes, including a sleek metallic black, matte silver, and a vibrant candy lime green, adding a pop of personality to an otherwise dark and stealthy machine. The LED lighting system is now fully integrated front to back, with a redesigned headlight offering improved visibility and a more aggressive presence on the road. The minimalist styling is further enhanced by a tidy rear fender and compact exhaust system, giving the bike a clean, uncluttered appearance. Engine and performance. Practical power. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, derived from Kawasaki's popular Ninja 650 platform. This engine produces around 61 horsepower and 63 newton meters of torque, offering smooth and responsive power delivery. What sets this engine apart in the cruiser segment is its rev-happy nature, providing a more engaging ride than typical V-twin cruisers. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, offering seamless gear shifts and ample torque across the rev range. The Vulcan S remains one of the few cruisers that feels just as comfortable on a twisty back road as it does cruising through city streets. For 2025, fuel mapping has been slightly optimized, improving throttle response and fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. ErgoFit system, custom comfort. Kawasaki continues to lead the industry with its ErgoFit system, which is a major highlight on the 2025 Vulcan S. This system allows riders to customize their fit with adjustable foot pegs, handlebar options, and seat configurations. Whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between, the Vulcan S can be tailored to fit your body type and riding style. This level of ergonomic adaptability is rare in the motorcycle world, and it makes the Vulcan S especially attractive to new riders who are still figuring out their preferred riding posture. Kawasaki has made subtle improvements to the seat cushioning in 2025, providing better long-distance support and reducing fatigue on extended rides. Chassis and ride quality. The Vulcan S features a tubular diamond frame that contributes to its low curb weight and stable handling. With a curb weight of just over 490 pounds, around 223 kilograms, the bike feels light and agile, especially compared to heavier cruisers. The low 27.8-inch seat height and neutral riding position make it easy to handle at low speeds and during stop-and-go traffic. The front telescopic fork and rear monoshock with adjustable preload offer a comfortable ride over various road conditions. While not built for aggressive corner carving, the Vulcan S handles with a degree of precision that's rare in the cruiser category. It strikes a balance between cruiser comfort and sporty responsiveness. Technology and features. While the Vulcan S is known for its mechanical simplicity, Kawasaki has added a few modern touches for 2025. The instrument cluster retains its hybrid analog-digital layout with a large tachometer and a multifunction LCD display. The display now includes a gear position indicator, fuel range, clock, and dual trip meters. New for 2025 is Bluetooth connectivity through the Kawasaki Radiology app, allowing riders to track their trips, monitor service intervals, and customize display settings. This smart connectivity adds a useful modern feature without overcomplicating the riding experience. Braking and safety. Braking is handled by a single 300mm front disc with a dual piston caliper and a 250mm rear disc. While these are not high-performance components, they are more than adequate for the Vulcan S's power and weight. ABS comes standard on the 2025 model, providing added safety and confidence for riders in various road conditions. Kawasaki's assistant slipper clutch is also part of the package, offering lighter clutch lever action and smoother downshifts, making the bike easier to control, especially for newer riders. Fuel efficiency and range fuel economy has always been a strong suit of the Vulcan S, and the 2025 model continues that trend. With an average fuel consumption of around 22 to 25 kilometers per liter, 52 to 59 miles per gallon, and a 14-liter fuel tank, riders can expect a practical range of over 300 kilometers, about 190 miles, on a full tank. This makes the Vulcan S an excellent choice for daily commutes, weekend rides, and even light touring. Who is the Vulcan S for? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a versatile motorcycle that appeals to a wide range of riders. For beginners, its manageable power, lightweight build, and customizable ergonomics make it a great entry point into the cruiser world. For experienced riders, it offers a refreshing break from bulky high-maintenance cruisers while still delivering style and comfort. Whether you're riding solo through the city or planning weekend getaways, the Vulcan S proves to be an adaptable companion that's easy to live with and fun to ride. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is expected to be available globally by mid-2025, with a starting price of around $8,500 USD, depending on the region and optional packages. This makes it one of the most affordable and feature-rich cruisers in its class. Kawasaki also offers a range of accessories, including saddlebags, windscreens, and passenger backrests, allowing riders to customize the bike for touring or daily commuting. Final verdict, a smart cruiser for modern times. In a world full of heavy cruisers and oversized V-twins, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out as a smart, practical, and fun alternative. It combines modern engineering with classic cruiser comfort, offering something truly unique in the midweight segment. With refined performance, improved ergonomics, and a touch of modern tech, the 2025 Vulcan S continues to be one of the most well-rounded cruisers on the market. For riders looking for a capable, stylish, and user-friendly bike that doesn't sacrifice fun for function, the new Vulcan S is definitely worth a closer look. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. What are your thoughts on this updated cruiser? Would you pick it over traditional V-twins or sportier middleweights? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated with the latest reviews and breakdowns from Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your ride smooth, safe, and full of adventure. Let me know if you'd like a version turned into a blog post, either script with on-screen directions, or adapted for a comparison with similar bikes like the Honda Rebel 500 or Yamaha Bolt.